What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Kawai ke kena skul ke belakang bakalangat dangshan hakajing syak luti hakisangut ki runar ki bamlaban itu anong thamai kat ba kadang wan pai na skul kalapla baka shutok bat thau kana. Kani kajing jia ya kabala keno bakala jia haka arpesan trik unailar baladab halam ya blot nong thamai kalapan ki win bat wanra kajing sngo kia kabajur hapadeng ki nong shong shnong jong kathan. Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Sim upentip bakan dia kena kala keno bakala syak luti lai spa tingka ha kiri runar ki bamla ban itu ha ka ba wena ki ulah seiru dakatari ban penting ya ka halor kan ke jingjia la mudui dak ejahar hapot nong thamai beat house Henry hadin ka jing tokit la syam bakan ke kena skul kala aya kan ke pisah syaka parlok jongka ban siwi ka jing thiet online namar ka jing syap tiang ba la kumpelut kumta kala thau ya kan ke khana thok bakla syak luti. Kumta kan ke jingjia kam shimla ja satya kumbala kam bat kam dan kano kono ke jing shisha benrap USP lingbau kurwa ni ka singi arpesan trik nailur da ka ba pentip ru bakila shim ya ka jing pla jo kan ke kena khmat magistrate hapo ka yeng ka shari district court. Ula ong ru baki pulit kin sa IT ya ka kaipot ka bakat tu syaka yeng ka shari da ka ba benrap ru baka jing ai ke jing tip ki ba shuthok FIR syaki pulit. Kadeka kam bean bat ki pulit kila ban pengat ya kan ke kena kat kum ki kendon an.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.